Afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Sunday, July 11th. All right, new week is getting ready to rock and roll. We have some scans done, and we wanted to give you a couple here that could be very lucrative for you in the coming days, weeks, or whatever the case may be. All right. Members, don't forget to check out the video tonight. We have some amazing scans for you with some beautiful setups. That'll be long-term, short-term, and we'll see what happens with those. All right, and don't forget, we'll see you in live chat tomorrow. We should break records tomorrow with the amount of people in the chat room with all of our new members, and welcome everybody. All right, without further ado, Home Depot. Home Depot is, it's basically holding its own, and the pattern is to the upside, even though it's trickling to the upside. You do have, a little bit of an increase over here. But either way, right now we have to take a look at, this big hammer came in over here on Thursday, and then Friday we came in and broke the 50-day moving average. Now all we have to do is close this gap here at 80.15 and break the middle Bollinger Band at 80.51. Once that's broken, this thing could get moving to the upside again and test this new high in the channel here, because you have this, and this, so it'll probably get up to 82, 84, and could continue even higher than that. We'll have to see how the rest of this plays out. All right, FFIV. This one might be a good short. And taking a look at this one here, it didn't participate too much in any kind of move to the upside. When it does, it's getting sold into pretty good. You get a lot of sell candles here. Nothing spectacular on the buy side, that's for sure. But it is holding in this channel for now. But it did close below the middle Bollinger Band to me. That's very bearish. And I think this is going to start heading to the downside a little bit here, maybe to the 200-day moving average, which would be right around 100. You have plenty of room for the relative strength index before it's oversold to get down there. We do have a couple of lower gaps here that do need to get filled at some point. We'll focus on this one first. Nope, that one was filled, I'm sorry. So that we're going to go to this one here, which is way down here at 88. I think it's going to take a little bit of time to get there, maybe earnings, whatever the case may be. We'll have to see what happens. But right now it's just in a solid channel, and there is no clear direction at this point on what it's going to do, because it's just consolidating. It has its top, has its bottom, and this is the box it's in right now. So your 200-day axis support, as you can see from here, and it bounces all the way up to the upside of these candles here. So potentially right now we can come back down, hit this 100-day moving average just from a technical standpoint, and then come back up and hit the top over here. That's where it is, unless this box is broken. If this box is broken, we're coming down to fill this gap. So keep an eye on FFIV. All right, LEA. LEA is looking fantastic. What a beautiful move to the upside. Just continues. So what's great about this one here is we had a beautiful break right here of this cluster, and this cluster will act as support now unless some heavy selling comes into it. But if heavy selling does not come into it, we are going to continue aggressively to the upside. And to me, I think we're going higher. I think we're going to hit 100 on this one. Keep an eye on ELA. Lear Corporation is going to be heading higher. All right, JBLU is the last one for today. JBLU. Looking really good here. Has nice support here at the middle Bollinger Band. Beautiful trend to the upside. Came down and hit the lower Bollinger Band. Beautiful entry here. 10, moved up to 1082. But I think this one's going to continue to the upside and get aggressive to the upside in the near future, because this trend is just perfect. If you take a look at the monthly on this one, you can see what I'm saying. Instead of breaking it down on the daily, if you're in a long-term position, you can know that we have a target over here. If you're a member, we've gone over this a few times here. We do have an upper target here, but it's not going to hit that first, but it will hit right here first in the near future, which is about 18, I think, or 16. No, 1864. So that's going to be our first target here, 1864, and that's going to be for a gap fill here. So, but we're still in the consolidation. We need to get out of this consolidation and get some moves to the upside here. But as you can see, we're slowly starting to curl to the upside. Just going to have to get a little volume to get this thing kicked off. All right, this is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. If you're not a member, make sure you join up, because the benefits are well worth it. That's for sure. You're going to make your money in no time, and then you're going to just be profitable forever and ever. All right, we'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Have a great night.